Okay, we have to find a common denominator so that we can combine these rational expressions. And notice that the third denominator isn't factored, and it looks like it could be the product of the previous two factors. And indeed it is. For if you multiply x plus 5 times x minus 4, what you get is x times x is x squared. The other end term is 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20. And the middle term comes from the outers plus the inners. So that's 5x minus 4x leaves 1x. So that is the correct factorization. So the common denominator, the LCM of all these three denominators, is x plus 5 times x minus 4. So we need to augment each denominator to be equal to the LCM. So the first denominator is in need of an x minus 4 factor, which we have to multiply times the numerator and the denominator. And the second fraction is in need of an x plus 5 factor, multiplied times the numerator and denominator. And then we have the common denominator. So what we have is x plus 5 times x minus 4 for our denominator. And upstairs we have x plus 3 times x minus 4 minus x minus 5 times x plus 5 and plus 2x minus 17. So let's multiply this out and so we can combine like terms. Foiling out the first one, we have x times x is x squared plus, we have negative 4x plus 3x, that adds up to negative x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then we have negative of x minus 5 times x plus 5, we know that that's x squared minus 5 squared. And then finally, we have plus 2x minus 17. All of this over the same common denominator, x plus 5 times x minus 4. So now we can start combining like terms. And we have an x squared here and a negative x squared here. So the x squareds cancel out completely. Then we have a negative x term here and a positive 2x term here. So 2x minus x leaves you 1x so far. And we have 12 minus a minus 25, which is plus 25. So it's 12, a minus 12, and a plus 25, and a minus 17. So this is equal to negative 29 and a positive 25. That's a difference of negative 4 here. So negative 4, and in the denominator we have x plus 5 times x minus 4. Notice that in the numerator we have an x minus 4. You can think of it as times 1 if you like. So you can cancel out that factor of x minus 4. And you're left with 1 divided by x plus 5. And we have simplified as much as possible this rational expression.